Om Amma. Know the basics of Sanatana Dharma. Nataraja Tattvam, the science behind the cosmic dance of Shiva. Episode 60. My name is Chandrasekhar Jayanti. You can reach me at sanatanadharma999 at gmail.com, dear friends. Friends, there is no dance without the dancer. Dance cannot be separated from the dancer. As long as the dancer dances, the dance is there. As long as the dancer stops the dance, there will not be any dance. Similarly, the creation is the cosmic dance of the creator. That's what the Sanatana Dharma, the seeds of the Sanatana Dharma say. Creation cannot be separated from the creator. As long as the creator dances, the creation exists. Stillness is Shiva Tattva. The dynamic rhythm of the creation is Nataraja Tattva. The cells in our bodies, the subatomic particles in the matter, the biggest stars, all are getting created in rhythm, sustained in the rhythm, and getting destroyed in the rhythm. Seeds called it as the dance of Nataraja. The cosmic cycle of rhythm is eternal. That's what they call as Kalpa and Pralaya. Everything gets created, everything in the cosmos is getting destroyed or getting assimilated after getting sustained for some time. So the seeds have beautifully, aesthetically, and intuitively call this as creator's dance or the cosmic dance. Now let us understand the Nataraja Tattvam. You can as well see the idol of Nataraja, which is very world famous. You can see 4 arms of Nataraja, 2 arms and on the right side and 2 on the left. And you can see 1 leg of Nataraja is lifted in this air, and the other leg is placed on the evil dwarf or dwarf demon called as Apasmara. You can see the wonderful hairs of Nataraja, the Shiva, all pervading. It is extending all the cosmos. Friends, this we will further analyze the idol of Nataraja here. Nataraja represents the 5 aspects of creation process. The 5 aspects are: number 1, Srushti; number 2, Sthiti; number 3, Samhara; number 4, Tirodhana or Tirobhava; number 5, Anugraha. These are called as Panchakrutyas. Now let us see how these 5 processes are represented in Nataraja's idol or Vigraha. Number 1, the upper hand that is there, he is holding the Damaru there. Damaru is called as Spandhana Shakti. Because of the Spandhana Shakti, from the Damaru, the creation came into being. Not only the creation, even the letters, the speech, everything has come from this Damaru of Shiva. That is what the seers of Sanatana Dharma say. Even the modern physicists, they call it as Big Bang theory. So this is again is the Spandhana. Now in the second hand, it is called as Varadahastam. It represents the Sthiti, the sustenance of the creation. And in the third hand, you can see the fire. He is holding the fire in the third hand, which represents the Samhara, the destruction. Now you see 1 right leg on the demon called Apasmara. He represents ignorance. This process is a recycling process that is putting us back into Maya. Who are bonded with ignorance or who are blinded with ignorance, they are put again into the samsara, the cycle of life, birth and death. And now you see 1 hand pointing downwards and another leg lifted in an angular way in the air. This represents the two together represents the liberation, anugraha. If you surrender at the feet of Nataraja, he will give you liberation. So these are the five aspects of Nataraja Vigraha, that is Srushti, Sthiti, Samhara, Tirodhana, and Anugraha. So this is what, and you have this wonderful Prabha, the circle of brilliance around the Nataraja. It represents the cosmic cycle of birth and death, Kalpa and Pralaya. So this is the Shiva Tattvam or Nataraja Tattvam as the cosmic dancer, dear friends. Fritz of Capra, the reputed nuclear scientist, in his book, famous book, Tao of Physics, he says, one late afternoon, I was sitting by the ocean in California when I suddenly became aware of my whole environment as being engaged in a gigantic cosmic dance. As a physicist, I knew that the sands, rocks, water, and air around me were made of vibrating molecules and atoms, and that these constituted of particles that interacted with one another by creating and destroying other particles. But until that moment, I had only experienced it through diagrams and mathematical theories. I saw the atoms of elements and those of my body participating in the cosmic dance of energy. He's talking about his experience. I felt its rhythm. I heard its sound. And at that moment, I knew that this was the dance of Shiva, the Nataraja. He experienced the cosmic dance, not in his laboratory, not through his instruments or through interpretations, but through an intuitive experience as he sat on the ocean, on the banks of the ocean, on the shores of the sea. So this is what Fritz of Capra, the reputed nuclear scientist, in his book of physics, experienced the Nataraja Tattva, the cosmic dance of all particles, of all matter. Friends, two grand themes of modern physics. One is fundamental unity of all matter and forces. Number two, subatomic dynamism of matter. This is what is the contemporary grand themes of modern physics. Now, this subatomic dynamism represents the energy dance of subatomic particles. The Nataraja Tattva signifies that unity and dynamism. Unity means the creator is not separate from the creation. The dancer is not separate from the dance. So whole creation is the creator's dance. So this is the significance of the Nataraja Tattva. And second, everything in the creation is of 5 stages, that is Sthiti, Srushti, Sthiti, Samhara, Tirobhava or Tirodhana, and Anugraha. So these two themes of modern physics is wonderfully embedded in the Nataraja Tattva. That is the science behind the cosmic dance of Shiva, dear friends. We worship Nataraja as the combination of Shiva and Shakti. Spiritually, if you really look at it, dancer is Shiva and his dance is the energy dance, that is Shakti. The Shiva we consider as our father, and Shakti we consider as our divine mother. Jagadappitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwarau. That's what Kalidasa has said. There is a difference in 2 earlobes of Nataraja. This the left earlobe belongs to Divine Mother and the right earlobe belongs to Shiva. That's what the scholars say about the Nataraja Vigraha. Now, this is represented, even the sculptures, when they make this Nataraja Vigraha, they take these 2 triangles, one triangle facing upwards, the other triangle facing downwards. The upward facing triangle, according to Tantra Shastra and our Mantra Shastra, represents the Shiva. and downward projecting triangle represents the Shakti. The intersection of Shiva and Shakti within a circle is the Nataraja, symbolic representation of Nataraja, dear friends. One of the geometric representation of the intersection of two triangles represents the combination of Shiva and Shakti. Now, dear friends, in 1993, a first 3D sculpture inspired by the cosmic dance of Shiva was sent into Russian space station called Mir to study the dance without gravity. The sculpture was named as Cosmic Dancer. You can as well see in this, this is the 3D sculpture that is there sent to the Russian space station called Mir. And here you can see astronauts around, feeling the enjoying the dance without dance, going around in the spaceship, and the beautiful dance. This was studied, and wonderful observations were made. So you can as well get into the wonderful interpretations or study from cosmicdancer.com, dear friends. The designer of the Cosmic Dancer, Arthur Woods, he says this: the dance of Shiva, the Hindu god of creation, is the dancing universe and symbolizing the cosmic cycles of creation and destructions and the daily rhythm of birth and death. I was both impressed and inspired by this seeming merging of diverse cultures and these diverse yet similar ways of describing the cosmos. So this is what Arthur Woods, the designer of the Cosmic Dancer, talks about. So modern researchers are very much getting inspired by the cosmic dance of Shiva. This is the whole creation is in a rhythmic dance, dear friends. Now, there is a 2-meter tall statue of Nataraja that adorns the lawns of European Center of Research in Particle Physics in Geneva, where the intensive research of subatomic collisions are studied. So this is the greatness of the Indian seas, which is being reflected, or which is being appreciated, which is being taken as inspiration by the modern scientists, especially the nuclear scientists and modern physicists, dear friends. So let us also discuss about Chidambara Nataraja. There is a famous temple in Tamil Nadu, it's called as Chidambaram, where the Lord Nataraja is worshipped as a principal deity. But the Chit means the consciousness, Ambaram means the space. Friends, the spiritual meaning of the Chidambaram means the consciousness within us. When we invoke Nataraja, the cosmic dancer, into us, then our breath becomes rhythmic. Our energies become rhythmic. Our thoughts become rhythmic. Our expressions become rhythmic. Our life becomes rhythmic. Then our life becomes a song, a dance, a celebration, a worship, as we become one with the cosmic rhythm that is God. As we become one with the cosmic rhythm that is God, then you will say Shivoham, Shivoham, or that is what exactly the famous nuclear scientist Fritz of Capro experienced on the seashores of California, somewhere in late 60s or early 70s, dear friends. So Shivoham, Shivoham, the whole cosmos is dancing in a particular rhythm. Let us all become one with the cosmic rhythm, dear friends. Om Lokaha Samastaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.